Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston and thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make jerk turkey. You heard of jerk chicken? Today's gonna be jerk turkey. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment and to remember to thumbs up the video. Let's get into the video. So here I have a turkey, and what happened here, it have bone in it, so I don't want the bone in it. So I'm gonna debone it, and that's all personal preference. And for this particular jerk turkey recipe, I'll be grilling it. I'm gonna do it the authentic way, and I'll show you how to marinate it, and also I will show you how to grill the turkey and how to spice your jerk turkey up. What I'm doing here, I'm just coring the meat, and the reason for coring it is just to get the season through in the meat. This is a mixture that I've made up, that's personal, whatever you want to use, but normally I make up my own seasoning to put on my meat. So go ahead and put your dry rub. This is what they call the dry rub first before you put the wet marinate on. And I'll put a recipe in the description for you guys to follow. This is the marinate, jerk marinate, which I already have made up. I have some personal one, which is my brand, which is called Linden Jerk Marinate. You can find it on eBay. So go ahead, marinate your meat. You know, for a better result, you can leave it covered for 4 hours or overnight. So I'm doing it the authentic style. So I'm doing it on the grill outside. So I have my wood mixed with charcoal. So that's how I normally do it. So I'm starting it off because I'm not doing a lot. So I'm just starting this off with a bit of wood, bit of coal, and this need to be slow cooked on the grill. So this here is my jerk pan, or my grill, which I have outside, which I normally use to do my jerk chicken and jerk turkey. So this is gonna be tasty. This is like authentic grilled jerk turkey I'm doing here, and trust me, if you follow this recipe, you're gonna love it. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do leave positive comment. So we're getting there so far.